Okay, so first I'm doing Pangea, and they're kind of just like blobs, I would say. And then inside I'm doing mrth, and mrth is a C shape, and then it's got lines that come out of it. And what I decided to do is weight the lines. Once these are weighted, then you're going to have lines come out from that kind of center C shape and go out. This is such a great tangle to do a whole page of and just go and go and go. So during the live, I did, so this is Pangea and mrth together. And once I did all of these, I did them in just black and graphite. Then I added more Pangea all over this whole Zentangle, and the Zentangle is the round paper, is what it's called. And I did a whole bunch of Pangea all over the place. And once the live was over, I couldn't decide if I wanted to leave it black and white, change it to color, not do anything with it at all. So now I'm adding all the Pangea, and I couldn't decide what to do. So I did, I think, a couple more during the live, and then the rest I did after the live. And I decided to add color. So after I wanted to show the subscribers how to shade. And so we shaded them together in the live. And then on my own, I started with Halloween colors. So right here is just aura'd lines inside the Pangea. And then the other one was orbs. And then I added purple. And so I went back to mrth. And then I did either aura'd lines, orbs, or mrth. And I really enjoyed this. It was fun. It was neat. It's a great way to show you how you can take a tangle and add so many different fragments to it, right? Which are the fun little bits and pieces that we put inside the Pangea. And then I colored it, and I just took some charcoal and had a really fun time adding a bunch of color to this. So I hope it helps you to think outside the box, right? And make sure that you're breathing. Light with the pen, light with the pressure. Make sure you're breathing. Don't bite the inside of your cheek or clench your jaw. And then the background I did red just because it's Halloween. And I got some cool lighting. So if you have any questions, please click my Outside the Lines link. The link tree is under my P.O. box. It shows my website, my Etsy shop, and all of those fun links.